Perfect. Well, hi, I'm Trey Castillo with Practical Engineering. I thought I'd just take the time to say thank you guys for all coming out here. Really appreciate it. And we'll go ahead and get into it. So what our company does is we build fixtures and tooling for companies, larger companies like Rockwell Collins or Whirlpool, who need specialty tooling made for their large assembly lines. So the problem right now is when their process engineers want to get things done, they have to go get a quote from from a job shop or a small manufacturing company to get these built, and it often takes between 1 to 2 weeks to have it done, plus the manufacturing and the delivery of the part, which doesn't really work out well for the customer because it takes way too long, which causes them to lose business. Sorry. So what we do is we're going to quote them in 1 day, we're going to get the parts made, and then we'll deliver the part right away. This allows us to reduce the timeline by 40%, which makes you 40% more productive, which means you're making more money, means more business. The way we're going to do that turnaround and reduce that time is we're going to have we're going to automate the process to do automated quotes, so we can get the quotes out to them almost immediately when they submit them, because the big issue they have right now is the quote turnaround time. Often companies don't even respond half the time to quotes, or it takes them so long that the process engineers are like, screw it, we don't want it. And the other thing we're going to do is we're going to have in-house machining, which allows us to control the whole process from start to finish. And if we do anything out of sort or out of house, we'll be with partners that we're really strong with, so we can know every little detail and be completely transparent with our customers. So our business model kind of revolves around 2 places. One, from products that are ordered from process engineers to us that we manufacture for them, as well as the design services that we have for, so if they have something they need built, we can design it for them and help them along. Just to help put out the fires, because they're busy people too and they keep things designed. They don't have time to do every little detail. Sorry. So our market plan is through word of mouth. We found through our customer discovery that it's an overwhelming amount of people. The process engineers find out their information through word of mouth. They ask all their coworkers. So we're going to get to getting into their coworkers and their people around them by being where they're at, at trade shows and just talking with them, networking with people, doing LinkedIn email campaign. And then once we get in with somebody in their company, we'll do a good job for them, and that helps recurring business, because they're all amazingly looking for people to help out. So our competitive analysis is there's a lot of people in this space. The issue is none of them have that really fast turnaround time, and we want to be in there where we're really quick on time getting them turned around so they can keep working on their assembly lines and help give them the time they need. And our management team is excited to have a little bit of fun here, but Mark and Marcia right here in the audience, they did a great job this week. They're both process engineers, so they helped us out amazing with understanding our market and getting things, learning from their personal experience and really diving down in the market into a deeper level. And we also had Tim there. He helped us with kind of thinking outside of the box and not doing the traditional engineering way. And then I kind of took all this data and tried to combine this into a solid business model that would actually be a real business. So for our 3-year projections, they're just rough projections, that's all. But I'll be doing this company while I'm still in college, so I can't. It'll be just at night doing it on my own time. And then once we get out, I'll start working and doing a lot more, so that'll help drive sales. There's a lot of upfront costs involved, buying machinery, doing all that investment right off the bat. But through our customer discovery and everything like that, we found overwhelming amount of time was they were really worried about timeliness, getting things done on time, because they're all looking for, we'd call them and talk to them, and they'd be like, yeah, we contact these manufacturers, they don't get back to us, or we have to harass them to get any data out or get anything out of them. So we wanted to really solve that issue for them. So then we also wanted somebody who was responsive, somebody who they could contact and get that customer service out of, as well as trust and build that relationship with them. Because a lot of times they just want to be able to call up somebody and say, hey, I need this part built. They don't want to go through the whole hassle and trying to get everything quoted and done, and that's what we'll provide. Thank you.
So your entire team can come up for the question and answer.
I have you go back to the slide of the current process that takes place? And I want you to, where you're going to cut the 40%. You said you're going to automate
Yep, so right now it's done with
the quotes.
the quotes. So right now the quotes is the biggest issue. So a lot of times the manufacturer will, he might be able to actually explain a little bit better.
This is my experience, and we validated it through some of our customer discovery, like, I'll request a quote for some random aluminum chunk that we want milled out, and we will get quotes back probably within a week. If I push someone that's more expensive generally, they'll get it to me the next day, and I can, generally order the next day. They're generally more expensive that way, but, so it takes a while to get quotes back from these guys. They're really busy machine shops, and some of them don't even respond. So we've had, like Tom Letts at Report, he's had some stuff quoted out, and he's had trouble getting quotes back from anyone. Because, at Rockwell, they recognize me, but the little guys didn't recognize him.
And throughout the customer discovery that we have done, OEMs, I understand they have names, but we saw the same story around with our 7 other people that we have talked in the industry. So that kind of model played through the timeline that we see.
Did you have a particular target as far as the product, because this is a very broad area of manufacturing, I guess. So I was just wondering, is there a certain area you could really focus on when you have big companies, other companies?
Can I answer that? We only had 54 hours, and on the weekend we didn't have time to do a full analysis. But the idea is to continue this. We'll look for products that can be manufactured, maybe different products, but manufactured on 1 or 2 machines to really focus the efficiency on that first purchase of machines. So that's something that we need to investigate a little further.
You talked about,
It will be more around the custom parts that these manufacturer needs, fixtures and tooling, so they're a one-off job.
you talked about getting bids faster by use of automation. Why wouldn't your competitors do the same thing? What's so unique about what you're doing in the process?
Oh, on the one, there's one company that does quote turn the next day. That's the best I've had so far. But there's like quoting software that you can buy today, where if someone gets it and they can load the part in, you should be able to turn a quote now if you really want to. So I don't know why they aren't today. They should be. I don't think they're putting the labor into the quoting process. I don't think they have the ability to do it as much thing.
One of the things that I see in local supply base is that there is quite a lot of demand out there, so I am going to focus on certain markets